Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to edit your TikTok video on CapCut and how you can upload it directly from CapCut to TikTok. So in here, I'm going to show you two ways on if you added the video from scratch like this, or if you added the TikTok video from CapCut template. So first, here is my video. I already did some color correction. In here I did some adjustment, and in here I'm going to I want to add a transition, so I'm going to click on a transition box, and I'm going to just choose the one which is trending right now, probably this bubble blur. I'm going to click on apply to all, click on a check icon. So when you're done with your editing, you can just export, click on the arrow at the top. So in here, if you want to directly upload the video to TikTok, you can just click on this button to share to TikTok. Click on that button and you'll be directed to the TikTok apps, and you can just upload it by clicking on next and adding some captions, and you can just upload it right away. So that's if you added it from scratch. But if you are using the CapCut template, you can also directly upload it to TikTok. So here I'm going to choose the template first. Okay, so I'm going to choose this template and I'm going to choose the photo first. Okay, I've already chosen the material and I'm going to click on export. And here, if you want to upload it directly to TikTok and you don't want any CapCut watermark in your video, you can just click on export without watermark. And after that, the CapCut will be automatically switched to TikTok like it did before. Then you can just upload it to your TikTok. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if you think this video is good, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on a thanks. Bye.